Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for July 14, 2020. This is a very interesting day for today. If you look at the SPY daily chart here, you can see that last week the market after they gap up here and then this one it become a resistance here, and you see that last week the last 4 5 days last week the market is trying to punch to the yellow dot line here, which is the resistance here. They couldn't make it through. Finally, yesterday they were able to punch it up to the upside, but they hit to the sell zone. So the seller coming in, they push it back down, but they stopped right at the moving average here. And today in the morning, they tried to slam it high, but they hit to the second line of the support here, and then they were able to bounce back up. But the interesting here is at the end of the day, the market is not yet closed at the resistance line, but they close above the resistance line. So this is a bullish formation for the market. So let's see the market be able to continue to keep this momentum and punch through the sell zone here to looking for the next destination. If you can see here in the 60-minute chart, in the short term, you see that we get problem to punch through this area here. And then Monday we get through, and then the seller, they slam it down. Look like it's very bearish, but they come it back down here. They hit to the support right here, and then bow right back up. At the end of the day, they close above the resistance line. So now we come a support. So it's a very bullish side for the market to come back and retest the sell zone again here to see that we be able to gain some momentum in the upside. So if you are a day trader, as you can see here in our light trading room this morning, we'll be able to pinpoint where the market at bottom, and then they come back up and they push it back up for the target, and then they even get above our target price for the day, and then and after hour they punch through here. So right now they head back to the sell zone right now. Let's see they be able to punch to it tomorrow. So in the morning, you can see here in the 5 minute check, they slam it down very hard. But after that, they were able to stabilize and then they start making a high here. So the market punch through right into this one here. So I take a quick trade to get some quick money for daily income. I jump in, the total net profit is $1,275. But I turn around, I have to close some of the uh, swing trade. So that's one method that we're teaching in Stock Navigator for daily income. But we also do a swing trade. So the swing trade, which is another vehicle that we're teaching to make sure that people they don't have time, they don't have to stick with the computer for a couple of hours, but they can do swing trade and you can even make more profit. So this one here, a couple of stocks that I close it out quickly to make a quick profit, okay, before the for Thursday. So that's the swing trade method. You know, you stay in the trade longer, but you make a lot more money. So the reason, because some stock there, I close it because as you can see here. Oh, by the way, before go to that point, I want to show you a couple of bank stock. They opened today, so they still going sideways. It's not really doing well for the banking sector. As you can see, Citibank, Bank America, they all are now earning, but they hold up. Bank America, they still hold up here. They still follow support, and JB Morgan, they still doing. They still hold up, even though okay, the future doesn't look very bright for the bank, but they still hold up pretty well. The only one is the weakness one in the group is the Wells Fargo, but the Wells Fargo they are right at the buy zone right now. Let's see if they're able to hold up at this one and power it back up. So we have a couple more banks they're going to earn now this week, like Goldman Sachs, you know, and Morgan Stanley, and I think it's Bank America also. So let's see what happened. Uh, so a couple of stocks that I closed today is because you see that if you are a member of Stock Navigator, because they hit right into the sell zone yesterday, so we have to close it. Uh, and it okay, it is one of the methods that you see that one hit to the sell zone. That's why you have to take the profit. And so no, when they hit to the sell zone, definitely you have to take a profit and see where they're going to go next. basically if you play option and then expiration expire, then you have to get out quickly before the time decay will wipe you out. All right, so this is all I have for you today, and let's see where is the market heading in tomorrow. So overall, it's still very bullish. So the sales are still waiting there for them, but at least we know that the market be able to hold up at the buy zone. They stay above the support, and then we're looking for more momentum to put up in the upside. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and please sign up with our YouTube channel if you are not our member yet, so that every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And if you want to learn more about our strategy, our method of swing trade and day trade, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.